This summer I moved to Palma in Mallorca with my family and started going on some adventures, and I went on this co-steering trip where we did some fun things like cave diving and cliff jumping, and had this amazing guide. And he said, we're gonna do cliff jumping. He said, the first jump in the comfort zone, something you can handle. And then the next jump, slightly out of the comfort zone. And then the next jump, slightly more. And so the first jump, I took it real easy. Went in, felt good. Next jump, next thing I know, I jumped 7 meters into the middle of a cave, which was exhilarating. It was an incredible experience, and I felt super proud of myself that I got to that point. And this is how I want you to present or facilitate if you're doing something. Every single time, push yourself a little bit out of the comfort zone, a little bit out of the comfort zone. Every time I present or facilitate, I try to do something different. I might say, I'm gonna leave a really long pause after this word, really long, and just stare at everyone. Or I'm gonna be in every single centimeter of this room today, or I'm gonna walk around the table. Or you could say, like, I'm gonna have everyone online in this meeting wave at me if they agree, or yell back at me. Or who knows, maybe one day you'll get to a point where you can get thousands of people to dance with you online. But the key is to constantly be pushing your comfort zone so it expands. And who knows, if you do this a year from now, you might not even recognize yourself because your comfort zone's so big. Try it out, let me know.